Hi guys, welcome to Emission Electrical. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to wire a parapet light. So I'm using this simple drawing. This is a parapet. This is a parapet now. So I will teach you guys how to hold the connection and the lighting points, everything about the parapet. So watch out. So here now, this is the bulbs. This is the bulbs. You can see the bulb, the LED bulb, parapet lights. So let's do the connection now. Remember, let's do the connection. So this is the bulb now. This is the connection. This is the connection. We have red wire and we have black wire here. So you can see how the connection is. That shows that the circuit end here. So we are going to connect this switch. This shows that this is one gang. It's only one switch that will control the whole light. I will see do a video of the two gang switch of parapet lights and three gang switch of parapet light, depending on how I want to demarcate the light. So you can see the circuit end here. So let's do the switch, how to connect the switch and the source from the DB, both the live and the neutral. Watch out. So guys, you can see the drawing now. So this is the neutral. This neutral, remember what I told you guys, we use black as neutral here, and we use lead. This is red wire here. We'll use red wire as the live, neutral and the live. Sorry, neutral and the live wire. Live. So let's connect the red wire here. This is the red wire. So let's connect it to the switch. Remember the switch. So here now, here we use arrow 1. I use arrow 1 as the switch. I can use arrow 2, but here I use arrow 1 because I like my switch to position up. So this is the simple diagram, parapet light. This is a simple diagram. Simple diagram of parapet lights. Parapet lights. Missing electrical. Remember to like, share for other useful videos. Electrical. Thanks for watching. So you can see it. Everything is clear here. Everything. This is neutral. This is live. This lead wire and this black wire. You can see it. You can see how the thing is. Thanks for watching.